Hello, today's story is Zombies Don't Eat Veggies. I didn't know zombies didn't eat veggies. Do you like veggies? I hope you do. They're part of a healthy, balanced meal. My favorite, I believe, have to be the tomatoes and cucumbers. What are your favorites? Although some people say tomatoes and cucumbers are not a vegetable because they have seeds and so therefore they're a fruit. But that would be a good research for you to do. Can you find out for me if cucumbers and tomatoes are a fruit or a vegetable? Zombies Don't Eat Veggies by Lacera and Jorge Lacera. Mo was a zombie with a deep, dark craving. It was dreadful, devious, absolutely despicable. Mo loved to eat vegetables. He grew all kinds of veggies in his hidden garden. And then in his secret kitchen, he crafted celery, tomatoes, and carrots into delicioso meals that he devoured with delight. Oh wow, look at Mo and that carrot. He really does love his vegetables. Mo's mom and dad did not love vegetables. Not one bit. Veggies were yucky, disgusting. Ugh, que asco. They were not allowed at the Romero's dinner table. Ready to chase some humans in the marathon next week, mijo? Said the dad. Zombies were supposed to eat zombie cuisine like brain cakes, brain stew, and brain and bean tortillas. Ooh, that sounds like yummy tacos, don't you think? Most parents insisted that their niño eat only zombie food. The mama says, "Finger foods, mi amor?" And Mo said, "Gracias, I'm not hungry." Mo tried to convince his mom and dad to give peas a chance. He sneaked in vegetables whenever he could. But Mo's attempts were fruitless. His parents wanted him to accept who he was, a zombie. And zombies don't eat veggies. See here, he has a head of lettuce, some grains. Eating Vegetables by Jonathan Safran. Mo knew he did not like zombie cuisine, and he couldn't imagine letting go of spinach or cucumbers or kale forever. If zombies are only supposed to eat zombie cuisine, Mo started to wonder if maybe he wasn't a zombie after all. Day after day, Mo wondered how he could make his parents understand his love of veggies. His tomatoes were tantalizing. His cucumbers, crispy. The peppers, perfection. Add onions, some garlic, a touch of cilantro, and gazpacho! Holy aioli! Mo had an idea. His best one yet. Mo grabbed his book of recipes. His fingers flew across the pages until he found it. The recipe for a tomato and veggie-filled soup. He was sure the tomatoes would make it look bloody and gloppy, just like a zombie dish. His parents were going to devour it. Mo chopped and diced. He blended and pureed, perfected and poured. Do you think his parents are going to love it? What do you think? Finally, the soup was finished. Mo carefully shuffled it over to the house for dinner. Oh my goodness, what are they going to say? I hope they like it. It seems like Mo has worked so hard on that soup. Where he found a feast fit for a zombie. Look, they had pickled tongue, and arroz con spleens, and famoso chili con ojo, Doritos for dipping, and arm panadas. Mo, you're just in time, said the dad. The mom said, try some arm panadas, mi amor. Prime cuts. Mira, I made spicy mayonnaise. Mo said, I made something for you to try too. It's called blood bile bisque. Bon appetit. Gave it 5 brains. Smells strange. Looks delightful, said the dad. The mom said, 5 brains must be delicioso. They dug in. Are they gonna like it? What do you think? Oh, are they gonna love vegetables? What do you think? Mo closed his eyes and sucked in his breath. This was it. They'd savor the soup. They'd ask for más. Mo imagined breakfasts and lunches and dinners and snacks, all vegetables. Raw, cooked, steamed, and fried, forever and ever. He saw all his dreams coming true. Until most parents did not like the soup. Not one bit. Mo's heart sank to his toes. His plan was a bust. Dios mío, this soup tastes like vegetables. Yuck, said the mom. How many times do we have to tell you that zombies don't eat vegetables, said the dad. Maybe other zombies don't eat vegetables, but I do, Mom and Dad. I'm different, said Mo. But I'm still me, Mauricio Romero. You're niño. You're Mo. Mo reminded his parents that he liked chasing humans as they ran in marathons. And he promised he'd always cheer for Dad during championship rain eating competitions. He also loved doing the zombie shuffle under the moonlight with Mom. He was a zombie. He was a Romero. He just liked to eat vegetables. Most parents loved their son and finally accepted that it was okay to be different. They even promised Mo they would eat more veggies for him. But only a teeny tiny bit. And so they had fried fiddlehead ferns or artichoke hearts and elbow macaroni, some patacones, ears of corn with dead sea salt and butter, some be still my hearts of palm chopped salads. The Romeros knew that most zombies don't eat veggies, but they were more than zombies. They were a family. Y colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. I love this story because it reminds us that even though we may be in the same family, we can be very different. And what's really important is to accept our loved ones even though they might be different from us. But for your project, after you finish listening to this YouTube video, is I want you to try a recipe that has some vegetables. Try it at home. Make sure you have the help of an adult that's helping you to cook up something delicious. Post your video or photos and tag them at Pio Pico Palomas and share it with us. I would love to see what you and your family are cooking up. Have a great day.